Good morning, Extreme USA. This is one of your Mentor Ton Paltep, mentor of Extreme 111. Grabe, sobrang nakakabaliw dyan sa US kasi imagine kahit malayo kaming mga mentors, still continue pa rin yung pag-grow ng business nyo. I'm very excited talaga to see you next year. Pagpunta ko dyan ng US convention. Pero as for now, since your team is growing, dapat yung learning mag-grow rin. That's the reason why I made this video. This is one of the video na ipapanood ko sa inyo, video training. Kasi I know that habang lumalaki yung team, kailangan may bago. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin, it's about goal setting. Actually, kakauwi ko lang rin, kakatapos ko lang rin ma-meet yung mga leaders ng Extreme Singapore. Ayun, pauwi na rin sila. So, ayun, sobrang daming sharing namin. Ngayon, gaano ka-important that you have a goal? Parang ganito yan. A goal is something that tina-target mo. Siyempre, pag may goal ka, definitely, may tatamaan ka. Pag wala kang goal, wala kang tatamaan. So, ayun, since we focus on our business, how to grow the business, paano ba talaga mag-goal set? Since this is the start of the week, it is the best time to set your goal. So, eto, pakita ko sa inyo. Ngayon, I'm very excited na dala ko yung whiteboard ko, portable whiteboard. So, how do you set your goal? Siyempre, pag bago ka, you need to set your goal as ano ba yung gusto mong kitain for the week. For example, sulat mo yung goal mo. Ayan. Tapos, isulat mo yung points mo sa left and sa right. So, eto yun. So, for example, your goal for this week is to earn $200. So, ilan yung kailangan mong points? So, definitely, that is 1,000 points left and right. Tama? Ayan. Pero ito yan. Siyempre, when you start the week, one of your left side becomes 0. So, ibig sabihin nito, pag nag-0 yung kabilang side mo, yun yung i-workout mo. Pag meron na yung kabilang side. So, isusulat mo rin, next is the current points. What's your current points? So, for example, your current points is 0 and 500 since para to sa mga bago, ayan. So, ngayon, nasulat mo na yung goal and yung current. Ngayon, ilalagay mo naman what is your working points. Ano yung kailangan mong trabahuhin for the week. So, your working points, ima-minus mo lang yung goal minus the current. So, that is your working points. For example, ito, pag minus natin, we have 1,000 points and 500 points. Ngayon, syempre, pag bago ka, definitely, wala pa yung mga auto-ship, auto-order, wala pa yung 3BC upgrade, wala pa rin yung close to check. So, what you need to do is, you must need to know ilan ba yung kailangan mong pay in. For example, ayan. For example, pag 1,000 yung points yung kailangan mo, ilan yung kailangan mong pay in? So, ayan, sulat natin. You need at least 2 pay in. Tama? Pero dyan sa US, di ba, kahit isa lang, 1 to 50 na. O, pero syempre, let's assume they want to join at 500 points. So, dito naman sa kabila, 1. Ngayon, kung 2 yung you need na pay in here, 1 dito, the question is, ilan yung kailangan mong i-invite? On an average, ilan ba yung i-invite mo para magkaroon ka ng 2 pay in? In reality, most of us, ang batting average natin is 1/4 or 25%. So, dito, ang kailangan mong i-invite is 8 people dito is 4 people. So, a total of 12 people. You need to invite 12 people. Bakit? Pag mas marami ka ng invite, mas marami ka na presentan, definitely, there is more chance that they join the business. So, basically, ganito yung pagsiset ng goal. Kailangan written. Ibig sabihin, kailangan sinusulat mo. Pero eto yan. Ngayon, paano mo ma-invite yung 8? Paano mo ma-i-invite yung 4? So, kailangan meron kang calendar. Ganun ka-important yung calendar sa sana. For example, ito. Kailan mo balak i-guest yung mga guest na yun at sino-sino sila? For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Since Saturday yung cut-off. So, eto yan. For example, Monday, ilan yung goal mo maging guest? Since ang total na guest mo kailangan is 12. So, for example, Monday, ang goal mo maging guest is 3. Tuesday, 3. Wednesday, 3. Thursday, 3. Para yung Friday, Saturday, dun mo yung goal na mag-join sila. Ngayon, it is important rin na isulat mo sa prospect list mo sino yung mga guest na kailangan mong mapresentan. For example, dito, ang guest mo si John, Mark, and sabi natin si Juan. Sa Tuesday naman, sabi natin si Mary, si Shane, at saka si Ann. Wednesday, sino naman yung target mong ma-invite? Sabi natin si Sheila, si Cynthia, or si Jen. And Thursday, sino yung mga goal mo ma-invite? Si Tom, si Hak, at si Jim. Bakit kailangan iset mo siya mga 2 days before? Simple lang. Para pag hindi mo na hit to, you can adjust. Makakapag-schedule ka pa ng Friday and Saturday para ma-hit mo talaga yung goal mo. Sabi nga, failing to plan is planning to fail. So, ayan yung ganyan ka-important na meron kang goal every week. Like for me, nagbabalik ako sa basic kasi ang ginugol ko naman mag-Ruby Director. So, for this week, ang goal ko, magkaroon ng dalawang new pay-in. So, bakit? Kasi, ang goal ko, mag-builder yung Ruby leg ko. So, hopefully, sa maiksing training na yan, may natutunan kayo, and I'm looking forward to future trainings with you, and mag-set ng mga schedule via Skype or via conference call ng USANA. So, yun lang. I'm very inspired and energized na merong dyan sa malayong ibayo na are very willing to do the business just to reach their dream. Tulong-tulong tayo. Sama-sama. Walang iwanan. Sabay-sabay tayong aakyat next year sa stage ng Salt Lake City. So, yun lang. Extreme.